Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do these 3 easy updos for medium length hair. To start, we've got a low messy bun. To start, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across. Then tie that top section into a ponytail. Make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair on top for more texture and volume. Secure the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and we're simply going to split this in half and pull one half up. Then push the halves together and secure over the top with another elastic band. Add some texture powder to your bun. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then we're really going to pinch and pull this bun apart, so stretch it out, and I like to take sections next to each other and pull them in opposite directions. So keep doing this until you get the bun to the required messiness that you like. Once you're happy with the bun, secure it all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. I upload twice a week. Moving on to the second hairstyle, we've got a mid-height curly bun. I've started with wavy hair, but you can do this on straight hair as well. And we're just going to pop all of the hair into a ponytail just above the ears. I've left a couple of bits out to frame the face. Next, I'm applying spray wax all over the top and sides of the head to control flyaways, and then I'm using my fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit more volume and texture. Next, I'm going to add some texture spray to that ponytail. I'll pop the ones I'm using in the description below. Then we're going to take a large chunk of hair and twist it all in one direction loosely. Then we're just going to grab a little section of hair with your left hand and push the rest of the hair up that strand. Flip it over till it reaches the head and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Grab another section of hair, twist it loosely in one direction. You can see this a little bit better in this clip, so grab a few hairs with your left hand and use your right hand to push it all the way up to the head. Then just roll it up until it meets the head and secure in place. And it really is that simple. We're just going to keep taking sections of that ponytail, twisting it in one direction, grabbing a few hairs with your left hand and pushing it up the strand with your right hand. When you're securing this to the head, make sure that you try and make this into a nice round bun shape. And with this section here, I'm going to do the same steps. So twist it and push it up the strand, but this time I'm going to lay it on top in the middle just to give the bun some height. And it really is that easy. We're going to keep taking small sections of the ponytail, twisting it up and pinning it to the head to create your bun. Okay, so I'm working on my last 2 sections for the bottom of the bun. I like to tuck my ends underneath so you can't see them and secure it to the head. And I'm just going to use that last section to fill in the bottom of the bun and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And here's the finished look for hairstyle number 2. For the third and final hairstyle, we've got a beautiful, elegant bun. To start, pop the hair into a ponytail about mid-height. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair around the top and sides to loosen things up a little bit. Next, I'm going to split the ponytail in half, and starting with the top half, I'm going to divide this into 2. Then I'm just going to tie these sections together in a simple knot, as if you were tying your shoelaces. Hold this to the hair above the elastic band and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Then divide that bottom section in half, and again we're going to create one more knot. Once you've done your knot, we're going to flip this up towards the head so it slightly overlaps that first one, and again secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. Then we're going to gently pinch and pull each loop and twist of this bun just to create a little more fullness. And with those tail ends, I'm just going to slip a bobby pin onto the end and just wrap the ends around a couple of times. Then just slip it into the bun where it looks good. And then just repeat the same steps with all the tail ends. So wrap your bobby pin and just slide it into the bun. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.